Hello students, today we are going to start lesson 3 Advanced Features of Excel. In this chapter we learnt about chart. What is a chart? Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. चार्ट के थ्रू हम अपने डेटा को किस फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट करते हैं? पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म, यानी पिक्चर के फॉर्म में हम अपने डेटा को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. Charts make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in a range. चार्ट से हमें ये ईजियर या आसानी होती है कि हम अपने डेटा को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं और उसको एनालाइज कर सकते हैं और हम अपने डेटा के बीच में रिलेशनशिप देख सकते हैं कि हमारा डेटा किस तरह से जा रहा है. Charts provide more accurate analysis of information. Through chart we can get more accurate analysis of information. Means कि चार्ट के थ्रू हमें इंफॉर्मेशन बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट मिलती है. When you insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called data sheet. जब हम चार्ट इंसर्ट करते हैं तो इसमें हमारा जो नया चार्ट विंडो डिस्प्ले होता है that is called data sheet. Chart is updated automatically with the change in data. It means that when you do changes in any of the data related to the chart, the chart will gets updated. जो भी डेटा में आप चेंजेस करोगे चार्ट के लिए, तो जैसे आप डेटा में चेंजेस करोगे वैसे ही आपका चार्ट भी अपडेट हो जाएगा. उसी चेंजेस के साथ आपके चार्ट में भी चेंजेस हो जाएंगे ऑटोमेटिकली. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ चार्ट. चार्ट हैज़ वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स. In this term, we discuss about what are the main components of a chart. The various components of a chart are given below. First, chart area. The chart area includes all objects and elements in a chart. It has all the objects and elements which is present in the chart. Second is category axis. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. The horizontal axis of a chart is called category axis. You can see in the diagram, here is written on x-axis the name of some person. This comes under category axis or x-axis. Value axis. This is third component of a chart. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. Here we plot the values. जो भी values हमें related रखनी है जो वो हमारी आएंगी value axis और y axis में. Next is data series. A data series is a related set of data values. आपके चार्ट में जो डेटा वैल्यूज़ हैं जिनके ऊपर आप चार्ट क्रिएट कर रहे हो that comes under data series. Next is axis titles. These are the headings given to x-axis and y-axis. The titles help in understanding what is being depicted on the axis. Axis titles में आप देख रहे होंगे अपने डायग्राम में x-axis और y-axis पर हमने कुछ नेम दिया हुआ है. तो these are called titles. These are your axis titles which helps you to understand what is given in the chart, given on the axis. Next is plot area. The plot area is a window within a chart area. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. You can see in the diagram, plot area has the actual chart and it includes plotted data, data series, category and value axis. This area, plot area, comes under the chart area. Next is legend. It depicts the colors, patterns and symbols assigned to a data series. It has all the patterns, symbols which is assigned to the data series. It is showing by a color, different colors. Next is chart title. It describes the aim and contents of the chart. We give the title of the chart under the chart title section. Next is grid lines. These can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. They extend across the plot area of the chart. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand the values. The grid lines is a horizontal line or vertical line which is easier to plot the values in a chart. Thank you.